trying to stack as many blocks on top of each other as you can in 1 minute. And then whichever team has the most blocks stacked and has the most points wins.
Each of our robot challenges has a different theme, and this was building little habitats on Mars. And so they designed their robots to stack the little blocks to kind of simulate building habitats on Mars to prepare for astronauts coming in.
I've never built a robot before, so this is like my first time. And I think it's pretty cool. I like how you get to build things. Then afterwards you get to do something with what you built. So at first, they could only stack 2. So I made this part a lot longer with these 2 strips right here so that it could stack them higher. I definitely think it like helps your brain to expand, but it definitely helps you to learn how to persevere. When your robot doesn't work, you have to figure out what isn't working and make it better.
We have airfield 1, we have airfield 2, we have airfield 3. We're going to be using the extent, the complete width of all 3 airfields, okay?
Okay.
We're going to be trying to make some drones fly, like for package delivery. We're going to try making it go from one spot to another to another. Or for extreme rescue, like they're going to hover back and forth, back and forth. Those are our challenges we're going to be doing for today.
Okay. And then to make it turn, you're going to want to press fly left or fly right 2 times. It basically just tells the drone where to go and like how far to go and what to do. Yeah.
We spent the last few weeks building websites as part of a team, and coding drones helps them to practice some of the more logic-based coding. And it's nice that they can actually, you know, really see it in action, because I find that coding something physical is much more engaging than simply seeing something move around on a screen. We're trying to give students experiences and skills that they'll need to develop as they thrive in the real world someday. Coding is definitely a big piece of that, as well as skills like collaboration and problem solving.
STEM is science, tech, engineering, and math. It's the combination of those subjects together that is just so incredibly important. It's about solving the problems of tomorrow.
Yes! Yes!